Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Young skin in 40 years, how to give the face freshness without Botox. Many women, who turn 40, are very worried about the sudden appearance of wrinkles and bags under the eyes. However, there are ways that will help to restore the freshness of youth without Botox and fillers. It is necessary only to adhere to several rules and perform compulsory, but simple cosmetic procedures. First of all, it is necessary to establish a rule for the purchase of cosmetics: no parabens and similar ingredients. Creams, lotions, gels should be as natural as possible. Morning. On the skin of the face, a cleanser is applied with an exfoliating effect, alternating in the morning with a cleanser with a nutritional effect. Then a moisturizer is applied, and when it is absorbed, a sunscreen is necessarily applied. Evening. Again, the skin is applied cleanser with exfoliating effect. It alternates through the evening with a cleanser with a nutritional effect. Then the cream is applied under the eyes, and when it absorbs, a powerful moisturizer. Twice a week. The mask with acids is applied, due to which the pores are narrowed, the skin is peeled and pulled. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.